very good morning to all my dear students. How are you? I hope you are good and safe. Myself, Anuja Khandagale from PK Road MPS School, and today I am going to conduct your online math lecture. So, before starting our day, let us take the name of God. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and we'll start the prayer. Thank you, God, for world so sweet. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now rub your palms on each other and place it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Are you feeling fresh? Okay, let us start. Today's date is 20th October 2020. Day is Tuesday. Thought of the day is experience is the best teacher. Subject math and topic multiplication. So children, in your previous math lecture, you have studied about addition and subtraction. Now, in this lecture, you are going to study a new operation, that is multiplication. Now, I will show you some flashcards and you have to give me answers to my question. Right? Let us see the flash. Okay, students. Tell me what you can see in this flashcard. Yes, there is a flower in this flashcard. Correct. Very good. Now, tell me, how many flowers are there in this flashcard? Yes, perfect. There are two flowers in this flashcard. So, I am going to stick this flashcard on the blackboard. Can you see? Now I will show you next flash. What is this? Yes, this is also flower. And how many flowers are there? There are two flowers. Right. Very good. So I will stick this flashcard also on the blackboard. In same way, I am going to stick all the flashcards on the blackboard. Okay. I have stick all the flashcards on the blackboard. Can you see? Okay. Now my next question is, can you all tell me how many flowers are there altogether? Can you tell me how many flowers are there altogether? Okay, great. Someone said that there are 8 flowers. Someone said that there are 8 flowers. Okay, fine. Now tell me, how did you came to know that there are 8 flowers altogether? How did you came to know? Yes, excellent. Someone said you have added this flowers. Yeah, someone said we have added this flower. Good, very good. So what you have done, you have added 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And you have got the answer 8. Okay? By adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, you have got the answer 8. Correct. Very good. But children, don't you think this is a bit lengthy procedure? It is time consuming, right? You are adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and then you are getting the answer 8. So, there is one more procedure by which we can add it and will get the answer quickly. How? I will show you. So, see, in each flashcard, there are 2 flowers. So, I will write here 2. And students, tell me how many flashcards are there? Yes, there are 4 flashcards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I will write here 4. Understood what I did? I have written 2. There are 2 flashcards. So, I have written here 2. And there are 2 flowers and there are 4 flashcards. So, I have written here 4. Right? Now, what we are going to do is, I will put one sign over here. Can you see this sign? Now, tell me, what is this sign? Yes, someone said it is cross. Perfect. It is cross. Yes. Ankita said it is X. Right. It is X. Now, I will show you one chart. Can you see this chart? Okay. Can you see the same symbol which I have written on blackboard? Yes, these two symbols are same. So, do you know what is this? This X or cross is the symbol of multiplication. It is the symbol of multiplication. So, what are we going to do is, we are going to multiply 2 into 4. So, when you multiply 2 into 4, what answer you get? Very good. You get the answer 8. Okay. So, can you see both the answers are same? Both the answers are same. Only in first we have added and we have got the answer. In second, we have multiplied 2 into 4 and we have got the answer 8. So don't you think this is a faster process? Yes. Okay. So now I will show you next slide. Can you see this? What is there in this flashcard? Yes, there is ball. You can see the picture of ball. Okay. How many balls are there? Good. There are 3 balls. So I will stick this flashcard also on the blackboard. And now you are going to tell me what I have to do. So let's stick to this flashcard on blackboard. Now next slide. Okay, in this flashcard also there are 3 balls. 1, 2 and 3 balls. So I am going to stick this flashcard also on the blackboard. Let us do it fast. And next flashcard also I am going to stick on blackboard. Now students, tell me how many balls are there altogether? What are you going to do? Are you going to add this ball or you are going to multiply? Yes, Rishabh said that he is going to multiply. Right, Rishabh? Because we are studying multiplication. So, what are we going to do? Which which number should I write here? Okay, I should write here 3. Why 3? Because there are 3 balls in this flashcard. And how many times I have to multiply 3? 1, 2, 3 times, right? Why 3 times? Because there are 3 flashcards. So what will be the answer? Perfect. The answer is 9. Extremely correct. The answer is 9. Now, I will show you one more chart. Look at this chart. What is there in this chart? I have written something. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of same number. What is it? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of same number. I will stick this chart on the blackboard so that you can read it and understand it. Let us stick. Okay. Now, did you get the meaning of this sentence? What is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of same number, right? What is multiplication? It is nothing but repeated addition of same number, because in given examples, we have solved these examples, no? In these examples, what we have did, we have added 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The number 2 has not changed at all. It has not changed at all. So, multiplication is repeated addition. We are repeatedly adding the same number. So, it is repeated addition of same number. So, students, are you clear with the basic concept of multiplication? Okay, great. Now, we will solve the sum. Let us solve the sum. For that, I have to flip this board. Can you see? Okay, let us start. Now, here I have already given one sum. I've already written one sum. What is the sum? 32 multiplied by 2, right? So, tell me what to write in unit place and what to write in tens. You get a bit confused. So, what we have to do is, you can write, give your a small marking of units and tens so that you can arrange properly in this box. So, 2 I have to write in unit place and 3 I have to write in tens place. And what are we going to multiply by? We are going to multiply it by 2. Okay. So now children, tell me, you will multiply it from unit place or you will start it from tens? Yes, right. You will start it from unit place because we carry all the operations from unit place itself. So first we will multiply 2 into 2. Let us multiply. So what will be the answer if we multiply 2 into 2? Correct. It is 4. Now we have to multiply 2 into 3. So what will be the answer? Yes, Rakesh said that it is 6. Right. So when we multiply 32 by 2, we get the answer 64. Now we are going to see one different method. This is a lattice method. Now this same sum we are going to solve in this method. 32 into 2. So what we have to do is put here cross sign. Now this 32 number, you have to split this 32 number. How you will split this 32 number? See, you will write here 30 and in this column you will write 2. So 30 plus 2 is 32. So you have split this number, and this 2 you will write in this box. Okay. Now don't look at this box. You have to just multiply 30 by 2. So now you will find it difficult to multiply 30 into 2. So what you have to do is take the 0 down. Okay. What you will do? You will take this 0 down. And now you have to multiply 2 into 3. Multiply. What will be the answer? Correct. The answer is 6. So when you multiply 30 by 2, you will get the answer 60. Right? Now, you have to multiply this number by this number. So, how you will multiply? What will be the answer if you multiply 2 into 2? Yes, the answer will be 4. Correct. The answer will be 4. Now, you have to just look at this box, these two boxes. Okay. And you have to write here 60 plus 4. Okay. Now, you have to add 60 plus 4. So, when you add 0 plus 4, you get the answer 4. And 6 you have to write like that. So, is the answer correct? See, here also we have got the answer 64, and here also we have got the answer 64. Just we have changed the method of multiplication. We have used this lattice method of multiplication. Now, I will show you one more method of multiplication. Let us see. I have some 10 strips and some strips with 1 written on it and some pink colors. Now, again we are going to take the same sum, that is 32 multiplied by 2. Now, you have to form this number 32 with the help of this strip. So, let us form the number 32. What we will do? We will stick this strip on the blackboard. Okay. I have stick the strip on the blackboard. This is a 10 strip, right? Now, again I am sticking another strip. This is also a 10 strip. And see, one more 10 strip. Now, we have made the number 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. But we have to make the number 32. So, what we will do? We will place 2 strips which has the number 1. Okay. Is the number ready? Is the 32 number ready? Yes, you can see. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the 30 number is ready. Now, we have to multiply this 32 by 2. So what we are going to do? We are going to place this pink color strip in a horizontal way. We are going to place this 2 pink color strips in horizontal way. Why we have placed 2? Because we have to multiply 32 by 2. So we have placed 2 pink color horizontal strips. Now, what we have to do is we have to mark the have to add intersecting point of these two lines. So what are the intersecting point? Let us mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there are 6 intersecting points on the 10 strip. What I will do, I will write here 6 into 10. So what is the answer when we multiply 6 into 10? Yes, it is 60, right? Now, we have to mark intersecting point on of this two strips. So how many intersecting points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? There are 4 intersecting points. Can you see? Okay. So what we will do? We will write here 4 into 1. So what will be the answer? 4 into 1? 4. Now we have to add this. So when we add 0 plus 4, we get the answer 4. And when we add 6, we will get the answer 6. So have you got the answer 64? We have done the same sum in 3 different ways, in 3 different methods. And we have got the answer same. In this method also, we have got 64. In Lattice method also, we have got the answer 64. And with the help of the strips, we have done the sum. We have got the answer 64. So, I hope the concept of multiplication and this 3 steps is clear to you. This is multiplication presented by me. Symbols of multiplication: addition, subtraction, multiplication, plus this is the symbol of subtraction and this is the symbol of multiplication. Next slide. Let us see what is multiplication. Now, same example I have given you. There are 6 balls. In each picture, there are 6. We have added 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. And then we have got the answer 24. But in multiplication, what we do? We just multiply by 6 into 4 because there are 6 balls and the groups are 4. So we have multiplied 6 into 4. The answer is 24. So isn't it easy and faster? Multiplication means multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of same number, right? Now we have not seen this. We will see this in PPT. What is multiplicand? Multiplier is multiplier. 5 is multiplier and 25 is product. Now in this sum, we have the first number 5. It is always multiplication. Always the first number is multiplication. The second number by which we multiply is multiplier. And the answer we get is known as product. Now, next slide. Keywords. Words of multiplication. Twice, times, group of, double, per, each, equal group, multiply, all together. These all are keywords of multiplication. Next slide. Properties of multiplication. Now there are 3 properties of multiplication. First property. Can you see this first property of multiplication? Okay.
the product of two numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. Okay. So see, in first picture, there are 3 zeros and 5 ovals. So we have multiplied 3 into 5. In second picture, there are 5 circles and 3 ovals. So we have multiplied 5 into 3. Now, in both the pictures, just the order of the number is changed. But even if the order of the number is changed, we get the product same. The answer of both the multiplication 3 into 5 and 5 into 3 is the same. Now next property of multiplication. See, there are 4 bowls and 4 eggs in that bowls. So what we have done, we have added 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And if we multiply 1 into 4, the answer is 4. So the product of 1 and any number is that number. So if you multiply 1 by 5, you will get the answer 5. If you multiply 1 by 6, you will get the answer 6. If you multiply 1 by 7, you will get the answer 7. So if you multiply any number by 1, you will get the answer that number. Now down, there are 4 empty bowls. So it is a third property. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the same as 0 into 4 is equal to 0. So if you multiply 0 by any number, we will get the answer 0. So if you multiply 0 into 5, you will get the answer 0. If you multiply 0 into 6, you will get the answer 0. If you multiply 0 into 7, you will get the answer 0. So when we multiply 0 by any number or when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. Now next, there are few sums that we have to solve. Let us look at first sum. Now, in first sum, we have to multiply 42 into 2. So let us first multiply units place. So what is the answer when we multiply 2 into 2? Yes, we get 4. And when we multiply 2 into 4, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 8. So when we multiply 42 into 2, we get the answer 84. Now next sum, 32 into 3. So first we have to multiply units place. So we will multiply 3 into 2. So when we multiply 3 into 2, what is the answer? Yes, correct. The answer is 6. Now we will multiply 3 into 3. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 9. So when we multiply 32 into 3, we get the answer 96. Now next sum, 32 into 2. So first we will multiply by units place. So what is the answer if we multiply 2 into 2? Yes, the answer is 4. And when we multiply 3 into 2, what answer we get? Correct, we get 6. So when we multiply 32 into 2, we get the answer 64. Now next slide. Again, there are few sums that we are going to solve. First sum, 15 into 5. Now, we are going to multiply first which place? Units place. So when we multiply 5 by 5, what answer we get? Yes, we get 25. But we cannot write 25 in units place. So what we have to do, I have shown you. See, I have written 5 and we have carried 2 on the tens place. Now we will multiply 5 into 1. So what will be the answer? 5 ones are 5. And plus we have to add the 2 which we have carried. So when we add 5 plus 2, we get the answer 7. So when we multiply 15 into 5, the answer is 75. Now next sum, 24 into 3. Now first we will see units place. So when we multiply 3 into 4, what answer we get? Yes, we get the answer 12. But we cannot write 12 in units place. So I have written 2 in units place and I have carried 1 in tens place. Now we will multiply 3 into 2. So what will be the answer? Okay, the answer is 6. But I have carried 1 now. So we have to add that 1 in 6. So what answer we will get? Yes, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 24 multiplied by 3 is 72. Now next sum. 27 into 3. Now first what we are going to do? We will multiply units place. So what will be the answer if we multiply 3 into 7? Yes, the answer is 21. But can I write 21 in units place? No, right. So I have written 1 in units place and 2 I have carried on tens place. So now we will multiply 3 into 2. So what is the answer? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. But we have to add that 2 now. So 6 plus 2 is 8, right. So 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. Now next sum, 15 into 6. Now let us see units place. So when we multiply 6 into 5, what answer we get? Yes, right, correct. We get the answer 30. But I cannot write 30 in units place. So I have written 0 and carried 3 on tens place. Now let us multiply 6 into 1. 6 ones are 6. But I have carried 3. So we have to add that 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Correct. So we have got the answer. 15 into 6 is 90. Have you understood these sums? Let us move to another slide. Now, this is your assignment. Arrange it vertically and solve. I have given you few sums, 3 into 7, 8 into 4, 7 into 6, 5 into 3, 4 into 5, 3 into 3. And you have to arrange it vertically. Next assignment, the multiplication of two-digit number. Now I have given you two-digit number and you have to solve it. So what is the first sum? 23 into 6, 34 into 4, 21 into 1, 34 into 3, 41 into 5, 11 into 3, and 20 into 2. So you have to solve all these sums and show it to me in next lecture. Have you understood the concept of multiplication?